Welcome to our comprehensive beginner's guide to SQL. If you're looking to master data management, you're in the right place. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the cornerstone of database communication, empowering you to retrieve, insert, update, and delete data with ease. Its intuitive, English-like commands make it accessible for beginners, yet it's powerful enough to drive applications from dynamic websites to cutting-edge mobile apps. In this video, we'll break down the essentials of SQL, equipping you with the skills to manage data like a pro. Let's dive in. What is a database management system? First, let's talk about the foundation of SQL, the Database Management System, or DBMS. A DBMS is specialized software that acts as a bridge between users and databases. It allows you to define, create, and manage databases effortlessly. Popular DBMS options include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and SQLite. At the heart of many DBMSs is the relational database, which organizes data into tables with rows and columns. Each table represents an entity like customers or products, where rows are individual records, and columns define attributes, such as names or prices. CRUD operations explained. To manage data in these tables, we rely on CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. These are the core functions for interacting with the database. Create adds new records, read retrieves data, update modifies existing records, and delete removes them. SQL brings these operations to life through queries commands that instruct the database to perform specific tasks. The fundamental SQL commands you'll use are select, insert, update, delete, and join. Let's explore each one. The select statement is your go-to for retrieving data. It lets you choose specific columns and filter results using the where clause, which acts like a precision tool to narrow down records based on conditions. For example, you could retrieve all customers from a specific city. The syntax is: note that SQL statements typically end with a semicolon. SQL insert statement. Next, the insert statement adds new records to a table. You specify the columns and their values for the new row. The syntax is SQL update statement. The update statement modifies existing records. It targets specific columns and uses conditions to pinpoint which rows to change. The syntax is SQL delete statement. The delete statement removes records based on defined conditions. Its syntax is SQL join statement. Finally, the join statement combines data from multiple tables based on a shared column. Types like inner join, left join, right join, and full join offer flexibility, but the core syntax is key SQL concepts. Now let's cover some critical SQL concepts. Data types define what kind of data a column can hold, like integer for numbers, var/char for text, date for dates, or boolean for true/false values. Constraints enforce data integrity. For example, primary key ensures unique values, foreign key links tables, not null requires a value, and unique prevents duplicates. Indexes and performance. Indexes are database objects that boost data retrieval speed, especially for large tables. Think of them as a books index, helping the database locate information faster. Meanwhile, aggregate functions like sum, avg, count, min, and max perform calculations on datasets. Pair these with the GRUP-by clause to summarize data, like totaling sales by region. The syntax is sorting with order by. The order by clause sorts query results in ascending or descending order. Combine it with aggregate functions, like count, to sort by the number of occurrences. For example, subqueries and views. Subqueries or nested queries are queries within queries used to filter data for the main query. Views are virtual tables created from queries, simplifying complex operations or restricting data access. Transactions ensure multiple operations succeed or fail as a unit, maintaining data integrity through ACID properties, atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Normalization organizes data to eliminate redundancy, splitting it into related tables. Stored procedures are precompiled SQL scripts that enhance performance and security. Triggers automatically execute in response to events like data changes, ensuring consistency. For example, that's your crash course on SQL Essentials. With these tools, you're ready to manage data efficiently and unlock the power of databases. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Drop your questions in the comments, and let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.